What's up, and welcome to another Handyman T video. Today we're going to work with my baby back there. We're going to do a oil change. Yes, it's time to make an oil change on it, and it's almost season for start riding, so I have to do the oil change. But before I do the oil change, I would just like to remind everybody to be patient about the confinement that people are in right now around the world. Be patient and just follow the recommendations from the World Health Organization and some national health organizations and local, maybe even health organizations. And just wash your hands frequently with soap, and or do use the hand disinfections if you have that, because some places don't have access to clean water. Simple as that. But I hope they at least can use these hand disinfections to wash their hands with, or rub on the hands. And also, if you want to, if you need to cough or sneeze, make sure you do it inside your elbow like this, kind of like you're dabbing, like that way you don't just keep the virus from spreading. You also do it when you look good, like snapping. Anyway, follow the recommendations and stay at home. Yes, it's Easter. People like to travel, maybe visit some family members, but you need to stay especially away from your elderly. Do not visit old family members. You can Skype with them, you can video chat, but stay away from them. And some people like to go skiing around Easter. I know Swedish people like skiing, but I hope you think twice this time before you decide to go to these slopes. I don't ski that much, or I don't ski at all, so I don't have to worry about that. But I know a lot of people do that, so please do not go ski this year and stay away from your elderly. That's what I wanted to add. Stay safe. Yes, now back to the actual oil change. This is the things that I need to perform the oil change. Right here I have the owner's service manual. It's a good thing to have if you've never done this before. There are some guides in there that will help you go through it. And you need, of course, the oil that you're going to put in when you drain the old one, and a filter as well to replace with the old filter. This is where I'm going to drain the old oil, and these are the tools that I need. You don't actually need the GoPro to do the oil change, but if you want to film doing the oil change, then you're going to need a camera. Yes, that's what I'm going to use, and let's get to it. And there is the bike itself. I brought it out, and I'm going to first start the engine and let it run for a couple of minutes just to get warm before I drain the oil. Yes, she's warm now. The first thing I'm going to do is open the filler cap. Stay away from the exhaust pipe. That shit is hot. Like that. And move over to the other side. And from this side here, it's sunny day. I have to remove this cover right here and then unscrew that bolt. And then we will drain the oil somewhere down here in the bottoms, but I can't reach the nut yet, because I have to remove this one first, and then I'll get it off this stand so I can reach. that. Cover is off. Now we can see the drain nut here. This is where the oil will be dripping from when we are getting rid of the old oil. So let's first release the nut on this side, and then we'll release that and put on the receiver of the oil. And that's the start of it. And now let's remove the draining bowl nut right here at the bottom. That's the oil draining out. Let's give it a time and come back later. Okay, let's move on to the next step. While the last drops of the oil are dripping, I will go ahead and continue with the removal of the oil filter, which is in here somewhere behind that. Some oil still there. We need to get rid of that. Alright, now that I think I'm done with the draining process and I've pulled out the old filter, as you can see right here, it's time to install the new one. Put in this one. I put some oil on both sides. And time to just slide it in easily like that, and it's in place. I also put some oil on the ring. Now it's time to put it back in. It can only be in one side. This is the right one. Need some persuading. Bolts. I need a torque wrench, but we will deal with that later. So now that the filter is on and the cap is back on, we only need to put back all the other nuts, the bottom one and the one on the other side, and then fill it. That will be done. Let's move on. Now the drain bolt is back on and screwed with the torque wrench. It was on 12 Newton meters. Now I'm going to tighten the oil filter lock on, the oil filter cover, which is supposed to be at 11 Newton meters. That's why the red thing is on between 10 and 12. That usually is 11. Just do it like that until we get a click. There you go. And there you go. We will go to the other side and do the same thing with the magneto cover bolt. back in, and also 11 Newton meters here, so you just use the same without changes until we hear the click. There you go. And now I think we are ready to refill it. One of the tools that I didn't show you guys at the beginning are these, and that makes it easier to refill. Put that one in there. So move this out of the way. That, and then we'll get like 1.1 liter. So we need to do 2 of these and just glip, 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 like that. Let's get the oil. I need total of 1 liter point 1. This one here is at 500 milliliter. That makes it a half a liter. So I'm going to do 2 of these. Cannot do it too fast. That's 1. Like that. That's it with the filling. Put that on. Like that. And that finishes the oil change. Just gonna start the engine, let it run for a few minutes, look for leak. If no leaks, then I'll put back the cover, and that will finish the installation and the oil change concluded. What's up, and welcome to another team. What's up, and welcome to another Handyman TD. What's up, and welcome to another Handyman TV video. We're going to another. What's up, and welcome to another Handyman TV video. Today we're going to work with. God damn it! And just follow the recommendations from the World Health Organization. There. Yes. Now back to the actually whole